My exhibit is called the Taste Place. Here's a blueprint, and as you can see, we have 5 main attractions. The first main attraction is the children's playground. The second is the stage and bleachers, and of course concessions count as an attraction. Then we have the Test Your Knowledge game show space and the Hall of Taste. Now I'll give you a virtual tour of walking through the Taste Place. As you walk into the Taste Place, your first attraction is to the left. It's the kids' playground. As they climb on the frontal lobe and slide down the brainstem, they are learning the parts of the brain. This attraction helps children learn through play. On the inside of the brain, there are buttons with audio. The buttons can say things like, when the chemoreceptors detect a taste, they send signals to the brain. When the signals reach the brain, they go to the thalamus. The next attraction is the stage and bleachers. Just past the children's playground, there will be a stage and bleachers. We can have shows or speakers here every hour. These shows will have games that affect chemoreceptors. For example, one game could be a member from the audience coming up and having to taste food blindfolded and guess what it is. After each game, the presenter will explain how the signals reach the person's brain. This is the main informational one. It's the Hall of Taste. To the right of the entrance is the Hall of Taste. In this hall, you become a chemoreceptor signal that is traveling to the brain. As you walk through the hall, you will see that signs are guiding you on your journey to the brain. Here are the signs that are in the hall. The main plot is a little girl named Susie who is at the park one day when her dad decides to buy her ice cream. It tells about how her chemoreceptors send signals to the brain and how the signals travel on neurons and go to the thalamus and then are interpreted in the parietal lobe. And then Susie's able to tell how sweet the ice cream is. The next attraction is the Test Your Knowledge game show spot. The Test Your Knowledge room is just past the Hall of Taste. In this room, there is an interactive game-like activity. Some of the questions that may come up are, what does the thalamus do? Which receptors control taste? Which brain lobe controls taste? And things like that. And because it's an exhibit revolving around taste, of course we have to have food. So that's why at the back of the room, there's a huge concessions area. We would have several tables where families can test out their chemoreceptors by eating the food. We serve all of the usual concession stand foods like hot dogs, burgers, cotton candy, ice cream, you name it. And that's the final exhibit. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Hope you learned something.